If any PG aspirant wants to do the counseling in Maharashtra state, then it is compulsory for him to do MBBS from Maharashtra. Mandatory criteria to participate in Maharashtra state counseling is MBBS from Maharashtra. It could be government college, private college, even in deemed university also. Under Maharashtra state counseling, government college 50% seats are there and private colleges are there. In this private college, three types of seats are there. One is state quota, institutional or management quota, another is the NRI quota. Only in the NRI quota in the private colleges, other state candidate is eligible. If a student has not done MBBS also from Maharashtra, still he is eligible for NRI category, not in state quota or institutional quota. Maharashtra private colleges state quota fee is reasonably low. Only one college where the fee is little high, that is Vedanta Palghar. Apart from that, all the private college fee is reasonably low. It is approximately 10 to 15 lakhs. Within that range, it varies. Only in Vedanta, fee is above 20 lakhs. Now, in Maharashtra, as I told you, institutional quota and NRI quota is there. So, what is the fees in institutional quota? Institutional quota fee is 4 times of the state quota fees. For example, if the state quota fees is 10 lakhs, institutional quota fees is 40 lakhs. And what is the fees is NRI quota? NRI quota fees 5 times of the state quota fees. If the state quota fees is 10 lakhs, then the NRI quota fee is 50 lakhs. Yesterday, Maharashtra round 1 allotment list has been published, and the students wants to know what is the cutoff precisely in the institutional quota. Since the Maharashtra state quota fee is low, so that is the reason to get the seat in state quota, very high rank is there, very good rank is there. But in institutional quota, if your rank is around 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh also, still you can expect the seat provided you have the budget. So in this video, I'll give you the information precisely in the institutional quota cutoff, but in the state quota cutoff also I will share with you. NRI quota cutoff also I will share with you. Now, it has been seen for last 2-3 years in round 1 cutoff in Maharashtra state. Okay, it goes a little more in the sense, for example, MS Ortho, if the round 1 cutoff goes around 80-90 lakhs, further round the cutoff may go more than 1 lakh or maybe more than 1.2 lakhs in that range. Why it is so? Because in Maharashtra round 1 there is no penalty. It is a free exit. If the student get allotted also, and if the student decline to take the seat also, there is no penalty. And since the student appear in the counseling in different states, they may appear in the deemed university, Maharashtra also, UP also. So the student cannot able to make the judgment before the counseling only which state he will go or which state he will get the allotment. So that is the reason the student participate, but sometimes they don't take the seat. But in further round, the cutoff go down, means it may go more than 1 lakh, 1.2, even 1.5 also. In this video, I will give you the hints how much cutoff you can expect in further round also, along with the cutoff in this round. Maharashtra Vedanta Medical College, as I told you, the fee is high in the state quota, which is approximately 22 lakhs. So as I told you, in institutional quota cutoff will be 4 times of the state quota, that is 88 lakhs. 88 lakhs fees is reasonably high, okay, if the student is looking for non-NRI category. Yes, definitely Karnataka in management quota 88 lakhs, even more than that fee is there. So we'll explore what is the cutoff and what could be the cutoff in the further round. Let's start with the radiology. Radiology cutoff, you can see 53,232. The college name is Prakash Institute of Medical Science, PIMS, and the fee is 64 lakhs per annum. The student who has got this seat in Prakash and the fee which is in 64 lakhs, in this rank definitely he would have got the seat in deemed university, and Karnataka also, and in UP also. Definitely in this rank, if the student would have participated in these 3 states, he would have got it. And in Uttar Pradesh, he would have got the college in lower budget also. So in that case, whether the student will take admissions in this rank, okay, it is not very sure. Automatically what happened, this cutoff may go down also in further round. Coming to the dermatology, 76,311, 88 lakhs per annum, the college name is Vedanta. Okay, if you see this this rank, deemed university also student will get a chance in for getting the MD dermatology. UP also there could be a chances in MD dermatology in the further round. General medicine, 61,709, fee as I told you in Vedanta 88 lakhs. So in this rank, if you see deemed university, the student has got in this rank, and the fee is much lower than that. OBG, 76,316 is the cutoff in institutional quota, 88 lakhs in Vedanta. Pediatrics, 98,587, and the fee is 88 lakhs in Vedanta. Only this cutoff I feel some extent go down, and the student may take admission here, because in 1 lakh rank in MD pediatrics in this fees, I can consider this is an NRI quota seat type of only. Okay. Now coming to MS Ortho. MS Ortho, you can see 1,22,621. Fee is 88 lakhs in Vedanta. I can give you guarantee in this rank the student will get MS Ortho in further round much lower fees than that. Okay, if the student rank is even in 1.2, 1.3 also, student may get in MS Ortho much lower than the fees in this. General surgery, 1,33,679, 88 lakhs in Vedanta. Same for general surgery also. This is too much. The fee is too much actually considering the college. MS Ophtha, 97,206, again 88 lakhs in Vedanta. ENT, yes, ENT, 76,447. The fee is 51 lakhs per annum. College name is Ashwini Medical College. If you see the cutoff of Uttar Pradesh State Counseling in round 1, in this rank, the student has got ENT much lower fees than that. So, if you are participating in further round, okay, then definitely you will have to consider all this. Respiratory medicine, 71,287, fees 49 lakhs, and this is Punjab Rao Medical College. See, till now what I have told you, only 2 branch I am convinced by the cutoff. One is respiratory medicine, another is the pediatrics. In this 2 cutoff only, I feel the students should accept. Otherwise, all the cutoff what I have seen, okay, this is not a very what I can say realistic cutoff. Okay. Now coming to emergency medicine, 86,589, Vedanta 88 lakhs in Vedanta. It is not at all acceptable. I don't know whether the student will accept or not, but 88 lakhs for emergency medicine, it is an completely abnormal budget. Psychiatry, 1,14,011, 36 lakhs, it is in IIMSR Jalna. Now this cutoff, 1,14,000, 36 lakhs, again I feel this cutoff is also a considerable cutoff. 36 lakhs in MD psychiatry. If you are not, if you are okay with the Jalna Medical College, which is a minority college, then you should accept this cutoff. Anesthesia, 1,35,288 lakhs, Vedanta. I feel, forget about 88 lakhs, even 44 lakhs is too much for this MD anesthesia. So, see, I can tell you this Maharashtra round 1 cutoff every year goes like that only. Further round, you will see this all cutoff may go around 2 lakhs also, whether it is MD anesthesia, MD emergency medicine. Okay, the student who are watching this video, if you will be getting the eligibility after reduction the cutoff, okay, so, and if you have done your MBBS from Maharashtra, then definitely If your rank is even 1.5, even 2 lakhs also, you can target these colleges, either in Vedanta or in IMSR Jalna, in this kind of college. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. Okay, see, why I tell you always the counseling guidance or counseling strategy is very important for a student. The reason is that, see, I'll tell you, see, here MD dermatology, MD radiology, okay, here if you are spending 64 lakhs, I don't feel this college is appropriate for you. The same way, if you are spending, let's say for example 88 lakhs, then why you will take admission Vedanta? Because in this rank, if you spend this amount of money, you can get much better options in Karnataka management quota seat in a good college. Even MS General Surgery, 1,33,000, 88 lakhs is the fees in Vedanta. That is also, I don't feel it's a good options. Okay, only 3-4 options I can tell you. One is MD Pediatrics in 98,000, 88 lakhs. Even though the budget is very high, but still it is a realistic budget for considering the rank. Next is, I can tell you, ENT, 76,000 rank, 51 lakhs fees in Ashwini. Ashwini is also a standard college. Next, I can tell you respiratory medicine, 71,287 in 49 lakhs in Punjab Rao. Punjab Rao is also a good college. And last is psychiatry, 1,14,000, 36 lakhs in IMSR, if you are okay with the college. Only this 4 cutoff the student should consider. Apart from that, what all cutoff rank is there, the student who has got allotted 100%, they will be getting much better options what they has allotted in Maharashtra. If you have not yet subscribed this channel, you can subscribe this channel to get all the important videos related to PG. If you are looking for counseling guidance for the round 2, because round 2 is going to start, you can contact in this number given. We'll help you to get the best college according to your rank. Thank you so much.